Hey everybody, it's Lou and Brian with our weekly construction update. Looking forward to seeing what they're doing on the house today. Here we are, Brian and Lou with our weekly construction update. My house, as you can see, is coming right along. Last time we were here, they just had the foundation poured, and we've got Mauger Legendary Builders out here now, framing it quick. They just started last Thursday, and today is Wednesday, so already starting on the first floor walls, and we'll head around the basement too, so you can see that. We are in the basement of the new house, a lot different than it was before. You can see all the studs are in and it's starting to come together. This is Lou and Brian. Thanks for checking out our construction video, and we will be back soon with more updates. Have a great day.